Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Halifax Bank account online. So first we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search in Halifax Bank login. So next we're going to click on the first link that pops on. So we're going to click on the login online banking option. So this is their official website, but you guys need to primarily open an account in order for you to log in using your online banking account. So once you're set up with that, you're going to click on the login button, as you can see. So next we're going to input our username, then next our password. So once we're done with that, we're going to click on the continue button, and that's how you log into your Halifax Bank account online. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.